In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Mailchimp email on desktop and mobile. First, open your Mailchimp account. Use any modern web browser, sign in, and give yourself a moment to let the dashboard load. It helps to have your email content ready beforehand, even if it's a draft. The goal here is to quickly move from your account to your email design so you can see exactly how it will look for your audience before you send it. Next, head to the Campaigns section. You'll find it in your main navigation. Campaigns is where Mailchimp groups your email sends, so this is the ideal place to locate the message you're working on. If you manage multiple projects, you can use search or filters to find the specific campaign. Taking a second to confirm you're opening the right one will save time later. Open the email you want to preview by clicking into your campaign and then selecting Design Email. This brings you into the Design Builder. Think of it as your workshop, where all the text, images, and layout blocks come together. If you make any light edits while you're here, that's fine. Mailchimp typically auto-saves, but previewing is the star of today's process, so we'll focus on seeing how your content appears. Now, click Preview. You'll usually find this near the top of the design interface. Preview mode is essential because what looks good in the editor can shift slightly in the final layout. This step shows you the real presentation without distractions, so you can catch spacing quirks, image scaling, and text wrapping before your audience does. When the preview opens, choose your preview type, desktop or mobile. Start with desktop to get a full-width perspective. Look for consistent alignment, clear hierarchy between headings and body text, comfortable line spacing, and crisp images. Make sure buttons stand out and aren't too close to other elements. Also, scan for any sections that feel cramped or too wide. If your brand uses specific fonts, confirm they're displaying cleanly, and remember that simple, web-safe choices tend to be the most reliable. Switch to mobile to see how your design stacks and scales on smaller screens. Check that text remains readable without pinching to zoom, images don't overflow the screen, and buttons are large enough to tap comfortably. Pay attention to long paragraphs and multi-column layouts. On mobile, they often stack vertically, so keep an eye on unexpected gaps or odd breaks. That's it. By opening your account, navigating to Campaigns, jumping into Design Email, clicking Preview, and comparing desktop and mobile, you'll confidently ensure your message looks polished wherever it's read.